Hi, my name is Perry. We're gonna make this from scratch in Touchdesigner using Raytk from Tech 0.46 version. And we're using two gold ray from Service Sheet. So first of all, we're gonna delete all this. Go to the Raytk release, the last release. I put this link in the description. Download these talks and drag and drop into the network. Okay, now we're gonna start adding the operators. We can add the right march render first. I'm gonna put this in 1280 and 720. And for now, we're gonna put this in 8-bit fix. Okay, now we're gonna add the null here, a null here from the scene. And we're gonna add the camera here. Search, look at camera. Put here in the second one, input. I'm gonna put the camera here, and we're gonna set the camera, the fob angle in 85.3, and here the position 7.9. Okay, we're gonna add the light, spotlight. And connect here in the third one, input. And we're gonna set the spotlight here, intensity 1.55, color red, position 3, 3, 4, direction rotate NX minus 0.3 and minus 0.7 here. Okay, con angle here 3, con delta 99. Put this in on and set this 3.5 and 2.9. Okay, we're gonna start with the scene. The scene has a box and a prism, only that. And the most important thing here is the atmospheric field. That is an operator that create the environment light, the red environment light, and the reflection. And so we're gonna start with the box frame. So search box frame here. Box frame SDF. Put in here. And set the thickness in 0.047. Okay, now we're gonna add a rotate. Connect the box frame here. And in rotate here, put the expression uptime .seconds and multiply that for 15. and do the same here. That is for the box frame rotation. Okay, now we're gonna add another operator that's called mirror octane. That's a very good filter. Connect the rotate here. Put this axis in theta x and the size put 0.07 and the same here 0.07. The rotate axis 81, and now we're gonna connect the twist, a twist. So search a twist here. Connect here the twist. Put the axis here in X and the amount -1. And we're gonna do this shift audio reactive. So we're gonna start with an audio file in, add an audio device out, put this in bypass for not listen the audio all the time, and we're gonna add here a mat, connect the audio here, combine channels here, add now alias, put this function in RMS power, and we're gonna change the name here, put a rename chop. We're gonna rename this for power audio speed, and we're gonna add next here a null. Then we're gonna go here -0.03 and 5. I'll put this in 6 for now. We're gonna see this working later. So we're gonna drop this audio power to the twist, to the rotation, and we're gonna first click here in the viewer active and then drop here, select chop reference. Okay, we're gonna move on. Then we're gonna add a radial clone effect. So search here, radial clone, connect next to the twist, and in radial clones select Z axis, count 2, rotating mode, merge type smooth union, merge radius 0. I'm gonna put this here because there are more operators to come. So we're gonna add next the combine operator for combine the box frame with the prism. So we're gonna add here the combine. We're gonna search here the combine, connect the radio clone in the first one input, and set the combine in star union, radius 0.552 and number 4.1. Okay, now we're gonna start with the prism network. Add a prism, search here, put this prints type in hexagon. X is X, radius 0.39, and height 0.362. Okay, now connect to a rotate. Add a rotate first. Connect here. And copy the same expression from here, from the all rotate operator in the same position. Put half-time.second, multiply by 15. And then we're gonna add the radial clone to here. We can copy here this one. Connect here. Merge type here is good. It's good smooth union. So we're gonna move on, and now we're gonna connect with the combine here. Okay. Now we're gonna add the material, but first we wanna add a transform for control all the scale together. So add here transform, add the transform here, and put this enable scale on, and put the uniform scale in 1.067. Add a round operator. This round we're gonna smooth the corner of the geometry. So connect here and put the amount here in 0.009. And now we have the size and the soft in the corner here. We're gonna connect to the modular mat. So we're gonna add here the modular. This is like the PBR in the materials. And the most important thing here, I think that is the reflect contrib. That is operator that do all the reflection with the two geometry. So we're gonna connect this scene with this material, and we're gonna add only the reflect contrib for the reflection and refraction. Here, enable reflection on, and now search for the reflect contrib and connect in the second input. And we're gonna set the parameter here. We're gonna go here to level and put 1.438. And here in the Fresnel put 0.019. Okay. Now we're gonna connect this to the Raytk render. Okay, and we need to put here in the Raytk render, enable the reflection. Now for see the reflection, we need to enable reflection and enable refraction on, and set 2 in the both. And here put enable shadows. So when you connect all this in the Raytk render, wait, because it's a very heavy process to do. So wait a little time. Don't panic. And for now, we're gonna see this in all black because we need to add the atmospheric fill. So we're gonna go there. And for now, we're gonna put this twist in the shift that you want, and then we're gonna add the auto reaction for see better, because I think that is using an excessive matte here. So we're gonna add this later. Put this shift in the position that you want. And now we're gonna add the most important operator, I think, here, because it's the create all the environment light, the red environment light for this Infernal Raytk. So we're gonna add here the atmospheric field. And we're gonna set this. And we're gonna set this atmospheric field here in rotate minus 330. And we're gonna set this atmospheric field here in rotate X minus 330. Here 0.4. Here minus 5.2. Sun level 30. Planet radius 2722. Atmosphere thickness 23.3. Raylight scale light and Raylight scale height 15. Here we're gonna put 0.002. 1.2 is good here, and here we're gonna put 0.951. Primary step 1 and secondary step 8. Okay, now we're gonna add here a null, and we're gonna put this in the Raymarch render here in background field. Okay, wait a little. When we're gonna add here to the Raymarch render, wait a little time because it's a very big process too. So now we're gonna start to see the scene here. Okay, now we're gonna change the color here from this orange to full red. So go to the palette, go to change it to color, connect this here, and select this the orange, and put this, and now we're gonna see a better red here. Okay, now we're gonna add the gold rays from Surf. You can download in the description link. Drag and drop to the network. Thanks to Surf for this amazing tool. And connect the God rays next. Here select the camera, the render, and the lights. Copy here the name, put here, and here in God rays. So we're gonna set the God rays first. Set the sample here 500, brightness 0.45, delete darkness in 0.171, and then add an overtop. Connect the God rays first and the change to color here, and we're gonna set this God ray to the audio. We're gonna connect with the audio. So for that, we're gonna add an audio analysis tool. Drag and drop here, connect the audio. Connect the audio, and then from here, add a select. Here, right click, select, put the P from city parameters, select the low, add a lag for the reaction, for the better lag reaction, and then we're gonna go to move this close to the gold rise and select here and put in the strength. So we're gonna see this reaction in the scene. We can add a level 2 for see better. So now we need to put the auto reaction in the box frame. So we're gonna go do right now. Gonna go here to the null and put this in the twist here. So select this null and put this in the twist here. Click here and drag and drop in the shift. Okay, it's very it's very strong, the reaction. I think that the analyze here is not good. Okay, that is not the reaction because we need the speed chop here. Where is the speed? Here. Now it's okay. Okay, so add the speed here. And now we're gonna see better this. We can add more mod force here in the map. Maybe, yeah, maybe 5. Maybe 6. So that is all. That is Infernal Raytk. Make it from scratch with the amazing tool from Raytk and Touchdesigner, obviously. Hope you like it. And goodbye.